Olá, seja muito bem-vindo ao meu canal. Não te esqueças, subscreva-te, gosta do vídeo e partilha.
The first expression for today is among, and I'm just going to translate this for you. We will divide the tasks in the house among everyone. Okay? Entre todo mundo. We will divide the tasks in the house among everyone. The next one is wash the dishes. We spoke about wash the dishes in Module 1, Lesson 1. Wash the dishes means do the dishes. Another optional expression, do the dishes or wash the dishes. Next, we have tend the garden. Tend the garden means cuidar do jardim, cortar, né? Cuidar do jardim, aparar o que tem que ser aparado. Tend the garden. Tend the garden. And we have here trash. Trash, lixo, okay? Lixo. Mike will take out the trash. Next, we have here Jessica will do the laundry. What is to do the laundry? Do the laundry means to wash the clothes, okay? Your clothes, bedding, different types of clothes, to do the laundry, to wash clothes or related things. We have here Rachel will scrub. Okay, Rachel will scrub. Esfregar, right? She will scrub the bathrooms. I did not like this task. Next, we have handle the shopping. Handle the shopping. Handle the shopping means take care of the shopping. David will handle the shopping, or David will do the shopping, or David is responsible for doing the shopping. David will handle the shopping. Next expression, ensure. We've been talking about make sure and ensure, so let's just skip this. Appreciate. Appreciate. Recognize, okay? Recognize everyone's effort. Reconhecer, apreciar o esforço de todo mundo. Appreciate everyone's effort. Reconhecer, apreciar o esforço de todo mundo. Schedule. Schedule means horário. Schedule. Horário, agenda, all right? I prefer agenda. Agenda, the things you are going to do, schedule, right? We will post the schedule in the kitchen so that all duties are clearly outlined, delineados, esboçados, okay?